All right, Shelly, take us home.
Okay, here we go. Welcome back to another beautiful day here in Romania. In case you guys missed it, we are doing a 10-day road trip through the incredible country of Romania. I had no idea it was so beautiful.
Every day we are more shocked with how beautiful this country is. If you missed yesterday's video, you have to go check it out. One of the most epic days ever. We hiked to the top of Mount Tampa, just outside of Brasov, saw the epic Brasov sign, then we made our way to Bran Castle, Dracula's home.
Dracula.
Then we saw the most epic highway in the world, the Transfiguration Highway. We cruised all the way to the top and back down. Definitely check that out if you missed it. Today, you guys, we're heading south.
Let's hit the road. Welcome to Corbins Castle.
We're here at our first stop of the day.
Another castle.
Guys, it's another castle. We hope you're not castled out, because we aren't yet, but this is actually the last castle we will be seeing in Romania. So we had to come. This one is actually one of the 7 wonders of Romania, and it's easy to see why. This thing is awesome.
It is the biggest castle in Eastern Europe.
It's
Kind of cool.
beast.
And this is a beast. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm ready to get inside.
Me too.
Let's go check it out. That moat's looking a little weak. I'm thinking we could maybe cross that pretty easy.
Don't need the drawbridge here. Alright, we're just heading into the castle right now. First thing I'm noticing, there's way less people here.
Way less.
Holy crap.
And this castle is so much cooler. I think.
It's looking like that from the outside for sure. I think my favorite part about this place so far is you come in and you can just roam around wherever you want. You know?
And you can just climb stairs on stairs on stairs on stairs.
That's our favorite part.
I feel like they're never ending.
I love it. We went down through the torture chamber. We saw the rack. They have some pretty gruesome visuals down there.
Yeah, I didn't love that.
Then we went up to the towers. We went to the defense tower. Tons of stairs to get up there. What is that?
Nothing. Plywood and more chairs. There is a lot of construction going on, so I'm thinking maybe this castle hasn't held up
I don't know what you mean.
super well. Lots of construction.
Well, this thing's old, guys. It was built nearly 600 years ago. It's been added to since then, back in the 16th century and then the 18th century. And there's continued renovations all the time to keep this castle, you know, up to date and safe, etc.
It's
a lot
gorgeous,
going
though,
on
for
right
sure.
now. Like, there's really a ton of scaffolding and work going on. But it's beautiful. It's very, very pretty. We've got a little art display going on in this beautiful hallway, and it's very creepy stuff. Like,
Very disturbing.
Shell, you're not loving it. Let's go. Corvin's Castle.
Check. Beautiful. It's beautiful. My favorite is still Pellish, though.
Pellish, the first and the best.
Sorry.
You just gotta always keep rolling with you around.
I know. Made it to our home for the next 2 days, and this place is gorgeous. We have now been to the Danube River twice, Once in Budapest and now here in Romania. We are staying right on the river. You guys, we have to show you this place. First off, here is our beautiful bathroom. I mean, honestly, it's pretty luxury if you ask me. Gorgeous bathroom. This place is like brand new. Like I feel like it just opened. It's so beautiful. Coming this way, we got cute little decor here, little complimentary water. That's a glass bottle, folks. Pretty posh. Follow me this way. We have tons of closet storage. Open these puppies up. Lots of closet storage. Unfortunately, I don't feel like we're here long enough to really unpack. Nice bed, TV. This, my friends, is the moneymaker. Check out this view. We are right on the Danube River. It is so beautiful. We are over here in Romania, obviously, and that piece of land right across the river is Serbia. The Danube River is actually the border between Romania and Serbia. But this isn't the only view that we are going to be showing you from this gorgeous river. You guys know us. Obviously, we can't come to the water and not go out on it. There's a couple amazing sights we can't wait to see along this beautiful river.
Oh boy.
That looks so good. We just got some dinner to go and brought it back to our beautiful hotel for the evening. And we have this place completely to ourselves. You guys, this place is absolutely brand new. This is YRYS House down here on the Danube River, and it is stunning. Every night is waterfront night. He gave us like the best room in the house. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't want to leave. I already just don't want to leave. This place is heaven.
Definitely excited to have some dinner. We picked up a little bit of food to go, brought it here to eat on our deck. I mean, guys, Shell's not wrong when she says she doesn't want to leave. Literally, we don't want to leave. This is just so beautiful. It's riverfront. It's incredible. It's quite the drive to get down here. It took about 3.5 hours from Corbins Castle all the way down to the border with Serbia. But we wanted to come down and see the river. This area is so beautiful. We want to do some hikes. Like Shell said, we want to get out on the water. We're gonna make it happen, guys. But first, we need a little bit of food.
We got a fuel.
Let's see what we got here.
We got some pasta Neapolitan. Is that what he said? I don't know. Tomatoes, basil pasta. Delicious. We got a yummy garden salad with chicken. And then Daniel got some barbecue ribs and some French fries.
I asked for mashed taters. What is this? Oh well.
That's okay. And dessert, some cheesecake.
Oh wow. As if this night could not get any better, Cosmin here is taking us out on his little boat. Not even little, this is a great boat.
I know, this is a great boat.
We're gonna go cruise the Danube right here at sunset. I'm stoked.
All aboard.
Here we go! So this is kind of crazy, but the border between Romania and Serbia is the middle of the river. So we actually technically have to stay on this half of the river, because on that half you're entering Serbia illegally because you're not going through like passport control or customs or anything. Like, that's wild. We could so easily pop into Serbia right now and add another country to our list.
All right, Shelly, take us home.
Okay, here we go.
I like how you're over the windshield.
Guys, right back there is the Tabula Traiana, I believe it's called. And it's a monument from 100 AD, almost 2,000 years ago. Hey, Shell.
And
what do you got?
Serbia. Yeah.
We just crossed over to Serbia. I thought we couldn't do this, but we did it. We're in Serbia. Anyways, that monument is crazy. It's wicked old, and it was built back when the Roman Empire defeated Dacia, which is kind of present-day Romania. Insane. And it's just chilling right there.
Just chilling.
Right above the waterline. 2,000 years. I still can't believe we're on a boat in Romania.
Crazy. I know, I can't either.
This is stuff we do back home. Like, this is...
I know, I feel like we're like on your dad's boat.
I know. This is so surreal and awesome.
Feels good. It's like not cold at all.
Is it nice?
Yeah. Little potty break.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Soft.
Here's our place right here, this beautiful, beautiful
Really
white
stands
building.
out.
It does, it
It's
stands
so
out along
gorgeous.
the coastline. It's very beautiful. We're gonna show it a lot more to you tomorrow when we have more light because this place is impressive.
I went to reach for your hand.
Well, Shell,
That was amazing. I'm loving this place, and like looking around, you guys, the sky is lighting up, the sunset is beautiful, the clouds are turning all cotton candy, orangey, pinky. Oh,
it is very
just love
pretty
it
out.
here.
Look at this water.
It's
Guys, this is a
beautiful.
flowing river. It looks like a lake. It is so wide and calm, but it's a
Yeah,
river.
and
This is
it's
the Danube River that flows all the way through Europe.
Yeah, I mean, we were just on this river in Hungary, and now we are staying on this river in Romania.
I know, I want to jump in so bad.
You know we do.
Huge shout out and thank you to Cosmin. Him and his dad actually own and run this beautiful hotel here right on the water. This is their rad little boat. He just took us out for fun, guys.
That was awesome. Thank you so much. This was incredible. You guys, we cannot wait to show you more of this beautiful place, but for now, we are going to say good night, but make sure you come back for tomorrow's video.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you've enjoyed, and we'll see you then.
Good night, everyone.